Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic chicken bone broth. One of the simplest foods that can transform our hormones, gut health, and even skin is bone broth. In my Cantonese family, there was always a pot simmering on the stove. We drank it before meals to replenish yin, repair our gut lining, and calm our nervous system. And now science confirms why. The secrets to a great broth is to get the highest quality of ingredients that's within your budget and soak the vegetables briefly with baking soda to help reduce pesticide residues. Then prepare your ingredients and chop them in big chunks before using. Here we have a sprig of rosemary for freshness and antioxidants, half a white onion for natural sweetness and quercetin, a natural inflammatory vital phenol, a knob of ginger to warm digestion, 3 sprigs of celery for a clean savory note and minerals, 5 to 6 cremini mushrooms for earthy umami and immune support, then 3 to 4 cloves of garlic for flavor and antimicrobial power, and 3 carrots for sweetness and beta carotene. Every ingredient balances taste with function, creating a broth that is deeply nourishing and satisfying. Bring everything to the pot and cover with 3 liters of filtered water. Then bring it to the boil and you will see foam rising. Those are denatured protein, fats, and impurities released from the bones. So skim it off so that it keeps the broth clean, clear, and tasting smooth instead of heavy. Simmer gently for 12 to 18 hours. The scientific sweet spot where collagen, glycine, and minerals are fully released. Beyond that, you gain little extra nutrition but risk bitterness. Keep the lid on but slightly ajar to preserve nutrients, or off if you prefer a richer, reduced flavor, and just top off with water as needed. Once cool, strain into containers, and when it chills, it should gel up. That is the collagen. This broth is silky, lightly sweet from carrots, earthy from mushrooms, and gently spiced with ginger. Enjoy!